Hello guys, welcome back again to this episode or series of my revelation about Forex, my life, my career, my family, and the rest. My name is still Ememian, your one and only Forex mentor, coach, and a friend. Okay, so in our previous video we talked about why I stopped posting for a while. I took a break and the rest. And if you've not watched that video, I will urge you to go back and watch that video. And if you've not also subscribed to this channel, please, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel, because this channel is created to help Forex traders just like me that started from zero, without a mentor, without having money to acquire a mentor, to acquire training, to acquire proper mentorship, who are just left alone to salvage and scalp on their own from YouTube, sourcing for videos and everything, like resources, education, and the rest, like sourcing for educational videos, resources, and the rest, in order to prove yourself. So that's what this channel is for. I'm just gonna be real. I'm gonna take everybody along with me step by step. That's why if you've not watched that video, I'll urge you to go back and watch it. It's gonna help. It's gonna help us pretty well. So I'll urge you to go back and watch that video so that you can follow with me, because I'm giving you a real life experience of what is going on. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about my background and how I started Forex, what motivated me to start trading Forex, and what I've learned. Okay, so I knew Forex trading late 2019. I knew it through how do they always call that trading platform? I've forgotten that trading platform. That trading platform that normally comes online to advertise Forex on Chrome. I saw it on a Chrome browser. They come online and advertise that the expensive lifestyle, the Lamborghini and everything. That was how I started. Almost similar to a expert option, like our IQ option. Those gambling, I don't know, I'm calling it gambling, but sorry. Those platforms where you get to trade by time base. That was how I knew Forex. So when I knew it, there was one of my friends that I knew like that. So we saw it, he saw it, and we decided to dive into Forex. So that was how my Forex career started. So when I started 2019, I wasn't really serious about Forex 2019. It was 2020 that let me see what this thing is all about. And I started gambling. When you're using those platforms now, I started gambling, putting in money, just predicting moves like that. Like, I wasn't being stable because I didn't really have much information about Forex in 2020 during the lockdown. And that same 2020, I decided, late 2020, I decided to start scavenging for informations online on YouTube on how Forex works and everything. Sorry about this pop-up. So that was how I started Forex. I started by learning online. I started scavenging for information on YouTube because I didn't have money to pay for mentorship. So I started struggling, started looking for information, sourcing for information, trying out. Like, it messed up my psychology, honestly, because you get to try out this move and then it doesn't work. And you don't have somebody to tell you why this is not working, what you're doing wrong. It's very difficult for people that are doing self-learning. They can attest to this. You get to make mistakes over and over again, and you lose money if you are traded with a live account like I did. So it was a rough start, let me put it that way. I started without a mentor. Then this my friend I started with. He bought all these online courses and the rest. So what I would do is I used to meet him and then ask him to share the courses with me. And he had friends that are into Forex that they applied for mentorship and the rest. So when he gets information from them, he's going to transfer it to me. And then what I do is I go to YouTube and research those information, source for videos concerning those informations, and then I make out something from there and start trading it as a strategy. Well, as in, it wasn't easy. I won't lie to you. I was just going up and down. So I hit a major loss and I had to stop trading. 2020, I refused to trade again. I took a break for like a while and had to up with family issues and the rest. I was drained. I had to stop trading 2020. I started again 2021, still learning and trading, and then I lost a whole lot again. It wasn't easy. It wasn't an easy ride though, but I stood my ground. I was consistent, at least for a little while, not for a long time. I was always still consistent. So I learned and I kept on learning 2021. I learned a lot using my trend line, support and resistance, break of structure. What again? Okay, trend line, support and resistance, break of structure, and the move, highs and lows, and the move of the market. Okay, those were things that I used, looked out for before taking a trade. So I kept on going, and then at a certain point, I stopped trading. Then it wasn't easy. I stopped trading and then I backed out 2021. So 2022, I now decided that is either trading or not. Is either trading or nothing. I decided to quit my job because it wasn't giving me time. Most times I do stay away from the chat for good 1 month, 2 months without doing anything. But the funniest thing is, when you're determined, you will always come back to that thing, no matter how long you've taken a break from it. Because I was determined and I knew that I needed trading. That is what I wanted to do. So I came back. Even when I'm gone, I still come back to come and check the chat, check what is going on and the rest. So 22, I quitted my job and I started learning more about trading. That was when I knew smart money concept, and smart money concept opened my eyes a lot to a lot of things. Smart money opened my eyes. I learned a lot. I learned about break of market structure, the move. I learned about imbalances. I learned about order blocks, breaker blocks, accumulation stage, quasi-modial levels. There were a lot I learned about. Even with that, I wasn't still profitable 2022. But I blew my account again because I funded that account again. So it was 2023 that I now decided I'm not funding account again. I'm going to learn and keep learning until I'm good. Because there's no need of funding and blowing your account when you're not good at that thing. Because the truth is that when you know what you're doing, you minimize loss and you make more of wins. I'm not saying you'll be 100%, but at least you'll be 85 and 90% sure of what is going on, and you have more information on what is happening and why you should do this and that. So 2023, I learned. I learned a lot and I paused. I was still learning the skill at that time. After I quitted my job, I was learning the skill. So I kept on learning my skill and combining it with Forex. So 2024, still on 2023, I started learning confirmation. Started learning how to take trades in a lower time frame. If we rewind to 2024, I continued because that was my major thing of how to read the market structure, read the movement of the market from the monthly down to the 1 minute. Man, it wasn't easy to learn how to do that. And the truth is, if you want to succeed in this field, you need to know how to read market structure from the monthly time frame down to the 1 minute. Do a lot of traders tell you don't need it. I get them saying that a lot. But if you want to be in this game for a long time, I'll tell you for free, you need to learn how to read the market from the monthly down to the 1 minute. You need to learn how to read the market. So I started learning multi time frame analysis. It's not easy to learn that, but I learned it. I learned it and I understood a whole lot of things. So my trading journey wasn't easy. It's even easy even right now. But I've decided that I will not back out. I'm not gonna back out. I'll keep on going. I decide I'll be consistent. That's why I'm making this video, in order to motivate and encourage other traders like me that are maybe at the point of giving up, or they've been trading without result. I'm telling you guys right now, you're not alone on this. I too, I'm there. I'm not yet a professional trader, but I know I will be someday, because I see trading as a lifetime game. I don't see it. When you start seeing trading as a lifetime game, you won't be shaken by whatsoever is going on right now. Because honestly, when it wants to pay you, it is gonna pay you, and you will forget about what you went through. So I see trading as a lifetime game. That's why we are not alone. I created this family so that we can all come together and learn, and I can also share my ideas of what I've learned in the market, because I've learned a whole lot. I've had experience, I've seen a whole lot, I've seen moves and the rest. So I'm sure my experience will help other newbie traders, those that don't have money for mentorship, will help them to know their way, to cut short that part I took off, self-learning and learning a whole lot, before coming back to what really matters, to the things I need to watch out for in trading. So I want to encourage everyone, you're not in this alone. I'm with you. We'll be trading together from now on. This is a family now, so don't feel left out. Alright guys, I don't want to take this video further so that it won't be too long. So guys, I think I'll be closing here. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, I will urge you, subscribe to this channel, cause this is a family. Honestly, this is a family, and definitely we'll all grow and we'll make it from this family. Trading is not difficult when you have the right information, though it is not simple. But when you have the right information, it is more easier to execute it. But when you don't have the right information, it's difficult. That's just the truth. If you don't know it, it is difficult. In fact, nothing in this life is simple when you don't have the information or the right information about that thing. No matter any career in life, even if you go to learn a skill now and you want to learn it on your own without having a mentor to guide you, or without having the right information, it's not easy. It's not easy for you to progress in that skill, except you put in enough hard work and effort before. So trading is not difficult, except you have the right information. When you have the right information, it is very easy. It's very easy, honestly. That's why you see all these professional traders making a lot of money, using 1 minute, stacking in trades and making mad sum of money. That's why you need to learn multi-time frame analysis from the monthly to the 1 minute. I'm gonna teach us that also. So guys, I'll be ending this video here, and I want you to know you're not alone. This is still the Trading Insight channel, and I'm still your friend, Ememiam. Before I go, I would also love everyone to share their own, your own ideas, your own challenges in the Forex market, what you've gone through, what you've been through trading. If you're trading alone, if you've purchased courses and it hasn't worked and the rest, I would love you to share your own challenges in the comment section. Just share it in the comment section, what you've been going through. Share your challenges. Let's come together as a family. Let's work this out together. We will succeed. This is a winning team, because that's what I know. So share your own challenges in the comment section. Guys, I will appreciate it very well. I will appreciate you share your own challenges. Honestly, that is what will help us realign ourselves in order not to make those mistakes again. Share your challenges, and I'll be hitting up on those comments. I'll be checking up on them, and we'll communicate as a family. Thank you very much for staying tuned.